Welcome to the product XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar enter the X icon changer. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just click here to open the app. Tap here to continue to app, and here you will see all the available applications, and you can select one from these applications and just to change the icon of this app. For example, I'll go with a contacts app. We can change here the name of this app by this way, but I don't want to do that. Here we got the library with the folders and the different icons and icon shapes here. And here also we got the photo section. We can take a picture right now or just select the photo from the device gallery if you want here. And also we can here add one more folder with the icons here, for example the lollipop. So just click here, tap to import, and we should watch the video now.
Dołącz teraz, aby otrzymać kupon na pierwsze zakupy. Zdobądź darmowy kupon na 15 zł na pierwszy zakup i wykorzystaj go na dowolne produkty w Shopee. Użyj go przy płatności, aby zastosować zniżkę i cieszyć się oszczędnościami. Więc na co czekasz? Pobierz aplikację Shopee już.
So now we should wait a little bit just to skip the ads here. Now we only 10 more seconds, and after that just click here. Okay, go back to the application, tap to the X icon, and now we can use this icon. So as can you see, we got here the new folder with the icons, and we want to change the context. So I'll find the icon like in contacts here, or we can also go with the circles, just shapes here, for example with this one. Then just click here to OK on right upper corner. Now just tap OK, and here to click to other permissions, click here allow again, and home screen shortcuts always allow. And now we'll go back to the app, click here to OK on the right upper corner again, wait a second, 15 seconds. Okay, you can skip that, skip it again. Now we'll click here again to this X icon, and now click here to change next icon, because this new icon is on our device home screen. So now we can just see the look of our new device icon here, and that's it. That's how it looks. That's how to change icons on our device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.